United Way, as a system, is the single largest funder of health and human services outside of the federal government and the state government. So when you look at an organization that has the ability to impact thousands of lives, United Way is it. It is about impacting education, earnings, and essential safety net services. That's what it's looking at. We recognize that it takes a lot of resources in order to make lasting change in our communities. And so, yes, we do partner with other nonprofit agencies, but we also partner with government, with school systems, with churches, with faith-based organizations. Anybody who wants to work on the issues that we've identified or that actually our donors have identified as important to them, anybody who wants to work on those issues with us, we're ready to be their partner. And we don't have to necessarily lead the way. We're happy to follow, but we want to be part of the solution, and we recognize that it takes all of us to do it. As I mentioned, we're focused on education, and our goal in education is to ensure that more children graduate on time from high school. And the reason why we know this is important, and it's, I think it's just common sense, is that if you have that high school diploma, your earning potential goes up versus somebody who has dropped out of school. And we all know that high school dropouts, people who have less than a high school education, make up a disproportionate percentage of our prison population. These people are also more likely to be unemployed, or if they are employed, to earn a lot less money, have children at a much younger age, are more likely to rely upon public assistance or charitable assistance. So it really makes sense to us that if we can do our part in helping to reduce the high school dropout rate, that we're going to get on the front end of a problem. Because the safety net for people who are in crisis is never going to be big enough to catch everybody. So if we can prevent people from needing that safety net in the first place, then we're all for it. And for children, school readiness is really the key. Because if children start school ready to learn, we believe that the school systems that we have can take them the rest of the way. The Dolly Parton Imagination Library removes an obstacle for children, especially children from low-income families, which is an obstacle to school readiness, and that is the lack of reading materials in the home. For poor families, the average number of books that they have in their home is 4. And we know that reading to and with your child is the single most important developmental activity that you can do to prepare them for school. And the program is really quite simple. It's free, and the parents only have to sign their children up for it. And once they do, we mail them a book every month, once a month, until they turn 5. So they can enroll at birth, and it's through the age of, kindergarten age. And so by the time they start kindergarten, if they enrolled at birth, they would actually have 60 books in their possession. And these books are age appropriate, they're easy for the child to handle and manage, and the statistics have shown that the parents do, in fact, even parents with low literacy skills, do read these books to their children. We've had parents who said, I can afford to pay the money, and we're saying, well, it's free, but if you want to sponsor another child, please do. And we do have a group of women called our Women's Leadership Council, which has taken this on as a project. And they're raising money for the Dolly Parton Imagination Library. And right now we have 60 women who have each contributed a minimum of $500 each. And they're part of the reason why we're able to offer this program. Right now we have 2,700 children in 4 parishes that are registered and receiving books in the mail every month. If you want to give to United Way of Acadiana, probably the easiest way is just to go on our website, which is our name, www.unitedwayofacadiana.org, and we have online giving available. We also do an annual workplace campaign each year, and so if your place of business would be interested in having United Way come in and kind of present to your employees or to your co-workers what some of the issues are that we're working on. It's a very low-key approach, and in fact we just try to inform people about issues and say these are the things that we're working on, and if these are things that you care about, then please donate or volunteer. All you have to do is call us at our office or go on our website, and you can contact us that way as well.